Jesus said something like that, too, supposedly. But Israel isn't exactly a top Baby Yoda face mask hug soap don't cough on me stay 6 feet away shirt. Maybe I'm just an ignorant person not well enough educated to be shit like this. I'm not happy people think I was having anti-Semitic intent when I wrote this. I wasn't trying for that. But I guess I was going with some old saying that was simple enough for me to remember. I was wrong about my comment, I think. To be fair, I know some people who follow Jesus who seem to have little idea of what he taught. Amazingly, many of them go to Sunday school classes where they obsessively study the Old Testament. Top Baby Yoda face mask hug soap don't cough on me stay 6 feet away shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. He restoreth my offshore bank accounts. He leadeth me in the top Baby Yoda face mask hug soap don't cough on me stay 6 feet away shirt. Yea, though I walk through the valley of tax cuts and deregulation, I will fear no corporate bailouts. For thou art with me. Thy duplicity and thy propaganda they comfort me. American Jesus is fucking badass. Like an old-time Greek god. He loves money, NASCAR, football, explosions, beer, and getting girls pregnant then calling them sluts. He's an utter and unrepentant asshole who sides with power every time. A trickster who lives to sell out the poor and powerless. Other products.